Hey guys, we're back at the Glam studio with Ruchita, your makeup expert from MyGlamm, and today I'm here to take up some really fun challenge. It's called the 5-minute makeup challenge, which is trending all over the internet. So today I have decided to take up that challenge for you guys. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm thinking of doing a party look, so let's see if I can do it in 5 minutes or no. And here is my timer, so I'm just gonna start this and we will get started. So there you go. First thing that I'm going to pick up here is the Total Makeover FF cream, and I'm going to use the orange corrector. So make sure that whenever you have to do your makeup in 5 minutes, you don't have too many products with you. So I'm just going to conceal my under eye, and in case if I have any pigmentation, which we generally tend to have near the mouth area, so a little bit of orange near the mouth. And then I'm going to take the FF cream again in the shade medium and use it for my under eye. Here's my beauty blender. Just going to blend this out quickly. Amount of foundation and using it all over my face. I'm not going to put too much of it, just very minimal. Now setting all the foundation is really important, so I'm going to stick to the Glow to Glam powder, and I'm just going to use this translucent powder all over my face. So because I'm creating a party look, I have chosen the Smoky Quartz Powder Magic Eyeshadow Stick. This is really easy to apply and create a quick smoky eye. Little amount of mascara. I'm going to fill in my brows as well. So I have 2 more minutes left. Quickly add a little amount of blush and highlighter. Here's the highlight. Moving on to lipstick, I have the lipstick by Manish Malhotra. This is called Ruby Runway. And lip gloss. and I'm done. So I'm just going to show you guys. It's 4 minutes and 34 seconds. So I have taken up this challenge and this is how my party makeup looks. So make sure that whenever you guys have to do a party look in 5 minutes, your product should be all sorted. Stick to something that's really easy for application. Like I chose the Powder Magic eyeshadow stick, which is really easy to apply and it makes your job really easy. When it comes to the lipstick, in case you feel that you won't be able to do it quickly, you can always switch to a lip gloss, which will be really easy for you. And a little amount of highlighter and blush will do the job for you. So here is my final look. I hope you guys really liked this look and you enjoyed the challenge. Till then, I'm gonna see you all really soon. Bye!